Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's mukbang is about wait, get out of my screen. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's mukbang is about red rooster. This is rooster roll, and this is oh, look guys, can you see? Okay, I'll tell you what's in it. It's got, oh yum, masala pineapple. It's got pineapple, crunchy pineapple. Okay, you know what? I'm going to put it out here. Yeah, red rooster roll on the sides. And I got the chips, the crunchy pineapple. I've got this wrap thing. I got the scaleve, that's gravy, and I got these nugget thingy majiggies. Okay, I'll put that in the front there. You think that there was some more? Okay, look at that, guys. Look at that red rooster. Oh God, oh yep, red rooster. But I love Kentucky gravy. So delicious, the best. I always say make a roast, go down to Kentucky and get some gravy from there because it's so nice. Anyway, let's get this started, guys. Let's get this started. Well, I've already given my thanks, okay, because that's what we have to do before we eat. Okay, clever and nugget. Okay, you ready, Rooster? I think you gotta oh, not too bad. Gravy's not too bad, you know. You know, I used to buy this all the time when I was a teenager. When I get my money, I'll get me a potato fritter and a pineapple fritter. Yeah, I noticed on my video, this tissue paper is a bit loud. Yeah. If you have any serviettes, it's not so loud. You know what? I think they're a bit too far. So I've got to zoom you guys up a bit. Is that better? Yeah. Yeah. A little bit better. Yeah. Hey, I had first time, oh hang on, no, that was second time. I had the family over last night, guys. It was so good. And they saw my little corner. They saw my little corner. Yeah, doing our videos. Guess where you think my corner is? I call it my corner. Whereabouts in the house do you think my corner is? Drop a comment down below. And let's see who gets it right. But there's not many parts of the house, you might get it right. All of you might get it right. These are something. Breast. Alright. Quite nice. Good one, red rooster. But see how fast I got up to go and answer the door. Speedy Gonzales la simia. Oh, so much to eat here. welcome. Mm. Mm. Okay. Let's see what's in here. It's one of these things. Okay. Oh, I can't order. I thought I ordered me a wrap. But it's one of these things put in a roll. Okay. I'll split it in half. And then I will get out some of these chips. See, that's what Red Rooster's logo is. Red Rooster is in Australia, guys. It's in Australia. You know, Australia. Australia. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Yeah, I like, yeah. That's how you say it. Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh yeah, I had a family visit last night. Well, yesterday evening. It was so good meeting him. Well, that was the first time that I actually met them. Oh no. That was the first time I met my cousin and his wife. Oh, it's a long story. We weren't raised around each other growing up, but I'm so happy that they made a connection. And they made a connection because my cousin, he watches YouTube, and his son Jeff told him to watch my YouTube. And that's how he saw me. And you know what's the bonus? We don't live that far from one another. Alright? So, when I was at the shop one time, he walked up to me, my cousin. This is my first cousin. Him, his dad, and my mum, brother and sister. So he approached me. We got to know each other then, but he wanted to know our kids to meet and greet. But I feel sorry for them. They don't have any idea. My kids are one of those kind of kids that, like, they hide. I wonder where they get that from. Remember I told you the story that when people used to come over when we were younger, and then anyone that knocked on our front door, we all get up and take off. So I don't know. I don't know if my kids over the years seen me do it, or they're just like us, my kids. Cheers, guys. Oh, anyway, this has lettuce, mayonnaise, and a bit of the other stuff that I was eating. Not bad. Not much of a fan over there. Oh. Woo. Oh. Oh. So anyway, I come over yesterday, you know, with my cousin, his wife, and their kids and grandkids. It's so funny, because they were all in the front, the kids, the little kids. At first I thought, I don't know if it was the school visiting, you know, like going backwards or whatever. But then I saw their mum, or their grandma. Then I saw their grandma. Then yeah, I opened the door, and there go these little kids. It was so good. You know, I'll tell you something. You know, just meeting my cousin for the first time, it felt like I've known him for ages. It's funny, it's weird, but I actually felt like I know it. I've known him all my life. He's such a nice man, and his wife, oh, and the kids are good. I love the way they, their nature, personality. Well, I'm so happy. I've been happy since they've been over. This was yesterday. I've been so happy, my mum, which is, because my mum's got dementia now, so she doesn't remember a whole lot, right? But when Anyway, but when my mum was when her mind was all right, yeah. Oh, sorry. When her mind was all right, I'm not much of a fan of this. So I'll put it in the box. I'll give it for my son Noah after. Anyway, as I was saying, when my mum's mind was all right, she would always bring up her brother's kids. She would always wonder where they are. How are they? Stuff like that. How many times she brings their names up, bring them up. And sometimes she always brought them up. And now look, one of them has finally made contact, and it's really, really good, that my mum is still around to see it happen. Guys, I just bought one lots of food to do my last mukbang before I go, because I'm leaving for Cook Island tomorrow. So I'm so sorry about this. I wasn't even meant to do this, cry. I just wanted to talk about them. I was just happy, She always wanted to know where they lived, where would they stay, how are they, She always talks about them. And now now I actually got to meet one. It was so good meeting them. I bought one set of food, and I come here and I start crying like Sorry guys. So wrong. So wrong that I have to come here, do my mukbang, and do this crybaby stuff. So guys, I just wanted to tell you, about my meeting up with my family. It was so good. And my big sister was supposed to come. I had to go in and see her father-in-law because he was in a bad state. It was his last hours. So my cousin took over, and she had come to greet them as well. I'm a bit of a chicken, meeting people for the first time sort of thing. So I had to have backup support, so I can feel more comfortable. And my cousin Becca, poor Becca, she had to come. But you know what? Becca's my first cousin too. Her dad is my mum's older brother, and so we're all first cousins. We just met, okay? So it was like a nice family reunion sort of thing. I loved it. I really, really loved it. My niece's son went and laid down on my mum's lap and slept. I thought to myself, see, blood knows blood, eh? It was comfortable around her. So, if we got family somewhere, go and hang out with them, with cousins and stuff. It was so nice. So my sister rings up this morning. How did it go? How did it go? The one that didn't make it. And she told me that her father-in-law had passed away last night. That's really sad. He's a good man, yeah. His name is going to get it. And when I first met that man, he was very welcoming. Her father-in-law, my sister's father-in-law. So she rings up and she goes, how did it go? I said, you missed out. She said, how, what happened? And I said, it was a nice meeting. We had some laughs and stuff like that. And she said, see, good. Because she knows I was a chicken, that's why I rang her. I said, come over the day that they were meant to come yesterday. I said, come over, please. I said, what am I going to say to them? I don't know what to say to them. Come and back me up. So I was thinking, when they come over, I'll push her to go and talk to them. Because what am I going to say? You know, I'm telling you, I could be talkative on camera, but to people or in front of face-to-face with people, I hope there's going to be first of many, you know, seeing one another. My heart was felt loved. I did. So shouting out to my family that came over, Kung Leon and Sita and your children, thank you very much for making my week. So happy I met you guys. Cheers. And then they were joking around that their dad watches my YouTube and he goes, pull it out. See? Why did I get all emotional for? Now look, I can't even finish my eye properly. Red Rooster. Guys, it's chicken, shredded chicken, pulled apart chicken, and then a bit of sauce, white sauce. Yeah, like mayonnaise, white cream sauce, I don't know. But I used to love it. When I first came from New Zealand, this was so yummy. It was like the best thing I've ever tasted. But now I'm so used to it, it's just nice. Not like excited before. Yeah, so that's how I went for my other siblings to meet them. It's such a nice thing to meet up with family. It is. I don't know where I was shy for. I mean, they're family, but I know it's going to be my first time meeting the kids and everything like that. And I was still shy when I first met them in the first place at Plumpton Shopping Centre. It was like, I felt uncomfortable. Not because of them, I felt uncomfortable. Oh, hang on. Yes, I felt uncomfortable because I just met them for the first time. It was weird. It was like, so my mum and I and my husband, we're leaving tomorrow to go to Cook Islands, right? So I'm taking my camera, trying to film and keeping it steady instead of rock and rolling everywhere and making you guys all dizzy watching it. So I'm going to bring up some Cook Island food, some Cook Island wherever we're going to drive around to, and then I'm going to show you. So hey guys, I'm going to show you. I'm even going to show you guys my husband's land. I'll show you guys that. Yeah, he went and asked for his mum's land. It's now his land, so he just wants to go and get the paperwork, and then he wants to, I don't know, then he wants to, so we're just going to go there. But I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to go around. I'm going to try and find a lot of food places, right, so I can do my mukbangs here. Plus I want to take you guys around. There's this beach that I want to go to. It's called the Black Rock. I don't know why it's called Black Rock. Maybe there's some black rocks there. Or is it near a big mountain that looks black? I don't know. I'll show you guys. Your guess is good as mine. Unless someone's been there. Comment down below if you've been there. Black Rock at the beach. I heard it's good. I haven't seen it. I haven't been there. Maybe I have. No, I don't. No. We've driven past it. You know, we've driven past it. It says Black Rock. And I said to my husband, "Is there some black rocks over there? Why it's called Black Rock?" And he goes, "Yeah, there's rocks, but not that many. But, you know, anyway, his explanation is never, you know, I'd rather see it for my own self. And then I know it's true. Anyway, guys, sorry about, you know, all that emotional that I done. What a crybaby. Oh, I tell you what. I could cry at anything. Hey, I would say to my cousin yesterday about Asuelu or something. I said, he cries a lot, and then he goes, yeah, he cries a lot. And then look. See what happens when I talk about Asuelu? Sorry, Asuelu. I shouldn't say you cry a lot. Ai, mỗi đâu cả là càng sụ, ngủ phạt bia, quá càng sụ, phối số li, ai lê phải lâu wife, don't be mean to me, okay? I'm emotional. Yeah, okay, guys. When I come back with my videos, I'll upload it, but it's not that big, Rarotonga. So I'll show you guys around Rarotonga. I'll try and film as much as I can. So whoever's Rarotonga, that's from Rarotonga, that watches my channel, and you haven't been back home for a while, I'm gonna show you guys, okay? I wanted to go to this place called Trader Jack. Okay, it's a restaurant, bar sort of thing. My brother told me to go there when I first went to Cook Island in 2017, and I didn't listen to him. But the truth is, I didn't know where it is. My husband didn't know where it is. And you know how many times we went to the courtroom, and the courtroom was like, and it's right there, just across the road, Trader Jack is there. But we didn't know, okay? I kept saying to him, we wouldn't even stand on top of the courthouse because it's up the top yet. And I was saying to my husband, where do you think Trader Jack is? And here's us looking towards to see where Trader Jack is. And he goes, I don't know. You know what? You talk about dumb and dumber. Yeah, kako mi pia koe sau o sau mai se video whaala konga wha maka e oku. Au me tfoi se kangaka Samoa, ko kere kangaka Samoa, na ngofo i oi lalo konga. Ai oka. E whaalongo aku lai e whai mai musika Samoa, le si kei ngai lunga le motorbike. Wha pia hui, kwa mai e whai la o musika. Thinking if they're Cook Islanders. I thought they're Cook Islanders. But so I looked at their faces and I thought, I don't know if they're Cook Islanders or Samoan. But then one of the girls was going, hey, sis, so aku la pa u. And I thought, oh, Samoa. It's not even Samoan, but I just love that song like that. I just make it Samoa. Who cares? Who cares? You know, my husband, he's famous for making up words of a song. He doesn't even know the word of the song, but he'll just sing it, make up his words. It doesn't add up, it doesn't make sense, but he'll just add up he just add in his few parts. Yep. Oh, Lord, bye. You know, I was so hungry. But then when I started getting emotional, yeah, like the appetite just, boo. Yeah. Okay, see you guys, okay? Yeah, I just want to say, keep it up, guys, keep it up. All your fellas' channels, keep it up, okay? Start your channels, film, put it up, okay? And I'm sorry about, you know, my emotional cry, baby, Suki Lala, hoi, Suki Lala. And shout out, Sita. Thank you for looking after my cousin. You know, but thank you for coming around. I'm so happy. My heart's happy. Okay, thank you very much. You guys take care, okay? Till we meet again. Whaasoi fua.